Oh my word. What? That's crazy. Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for joining us for another flight test. Nick is helping me today. Nick, my youngest. Why? Because I think it's really important that, particularly for an FPV starter kit that I've got here, it's important that we have somebody who hasn't flown FPV before. We literally don't just have that. Nick has never actually flown RC before either. Never flown anything radio controlled. So I'm going to see how he does. Now, to be clear, just to recap, this FPV starter kit, FPV starter kit comes with the Armour Blue B2. And you get in the box everything that you need to fly. You get the radio transmitter, you get the drone, the little mini whoop with different shells, different spare props. You get a number of batteries with it, the USB charge lead, but different bundles. There are different bundles. You can get it at the low cost end with the screen that goes in the cradle on top of the radio transmitter, or at the top end you can get a pair of these goggles. Now these are the Sky Zone 40 Pro goggles that are really good. You can so much configuration you can do on these, but the really great thing is you get DVR, digital video recording. So you put in a micro SD card and you can record your journeys that you do and flying you do with the drone, and that's what we're going to do now. So here we go. Nick has we've actually started everything up. So the battery, if you hold it, the drone, if you hold it upside down, you can see we've plugged that in. Before we did that, we turned on the radio transmitter, and we plugged in a LiPo. This is a 2-cell. No, it's a 3-cell, but you can use a 2 to 6 cell LiPo with an XT60 connector to power the goggles that Nick is wearing. All right, so here we go. Here's Nick trying to fly FPV and RC for the first time.
See how we do.
All right, Nick, I think we're ready.
Okay.
Okay, over to you. So you know how to arm it. I've given you the basic instructions on what the sticks do. Armed.
Okay. Cool.
So you arm it by the sticks down to the outside and then release them. Motor start up, and then you just take control and go for it.
Okay.
Ooh, that was close to the wall. There's my first video in the background. Whee! You're doing well.
Thank you.
Haven't hit anything yet. Brilliant. It's almost like you've done this before, Nick. I was hitting it when I did this the first time. I was hitting all the walls. Whoa! That's all right. Up. Oh yeah, well recovered. Come on then, do a fast lap.
Perfect. Okay. I'll do it the other way if I'm not flying into the TV.
Oh my word. What?
What?
That's crazy. Yo. All right, that's enough. Bring it in for a. Let's bring it in for a landing now. On the landing pad, if you can.
Oh.
Now it's difficult because you can't see down, so you are flick over this way and down. Oh, good. And hold it down.
Done.
Kids. I hate kids. They just find it too easy.
25. Cool.
Yeah, cool.
Cool.
So cool that you could do that so easily. He's never even flown RC before, let alone FPV. But I think the thing with FPV is you're on board and it's intuitive.
Yeah.
You can, whereas when you're flying line of sight, as we call it, it's a lot more difficult because if you're flying away from yourself, left is left, right is right. But when you're coming back to yourself,
Your axis changes.
Your axis changes. It's the opposite. So FPV is easier to a certain extent. Anyway, the link to the various bundles that you can get in this FPV starter kit and I'll drop the links on the video description and the pinned comment. But thanks for watching. I found that rather annoying as a father, that my child should find that so easy to do when I found it so difficult. I've been doing it for years. I'm going to go and have a cry in a corner. But thanks very much for doing that.
That's all right.
Good fun. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Kids.